Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink and now the time has come. Dr. Pink is going home, finally. We're talking about We're Not Gonna Take It by Twisted Sister. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, have your beer cold. And for those who don't know the song, I'm gonna play the very first notes here. Take it. No, we're not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. Oh, now. You know what I mean? Wow, I knew the lyrics. I was a Twisted Sister fan, I must admit. Probably that's why I have Dr. Pink here. Yeah, so the song is really simple to play. We're gonna check out the three parts. Which are the same, all the same. Check out the solo, that you're able to play the song at the end. It's really cool and it's really easy to play, I must say. Surprisingly easy to play. So let's get started. Okay, folks, let's start with the intro. This one here. The song is in E, and this is a major thing here. Well, the signature thing. This one here. Well, it's basically just the scale down. Here, second fret, first fret, D string, A string, fourth fret, and second. Play twice. And from the track is in 150 BPM, so it's pretty fast. But it's if you would play it slow, it's 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. It's always like this: a dotted quarter note and then an 8 note. Played twice. Then comes the rhythm guitar of the verse or chorus. It's just E5, and you just play it in 8. So damped 8s, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And here we are in the second fret with you can play just, or you can play the full power chords till the D string. I would recommend the one with the D string, so you make a barre here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we go to B5, second fret, fourth fret, make a barre here on the D string, G string. So we have one bar E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and B, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and back to E, and 2 and 3 and 4 to A. Power chord here. A string, D string, G string, E, B, E. And the last B is you play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's it. It's really simple. That's the main thing all the time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And then the whole thing starts again. That comes twice. Then comes the verse. We're not gonna take it. No, you know, we're not gonna take it. You know that one? The Revolution, the Revolution song. Some people might know where this has to be sung now. And it's basically the same thing. Only one difference. We have we're not gonna take it. No, we're not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it. And then comes the intro again. Comes this again. Yeah, that's the whole thing. And you played a little bit more intense. That means instead of playing, you probably play, you release the damping a little bit to have more crunch on the chorus, on the first, whatever, you know what I mean. You could play it like this if you want. It's just a way of playing, just to have it more intense. Then it goes back to the first, then it's the first part again. Then comes, I think, a chorus again, and then comes the bridge. Well, they say, oh, this is here. It's really simple. Here, D, damped, 5th fret, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 4th fret, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 twice. And then comes we fight, yeah, with that, yeah. Now comes this, we fight, E5 with the F5, 1st fret, with that F sharp 5, and then again 2 bars, and then comes the chorus again. We're not gonna take it twice. So that's the whole thing. It's simple, isn't it? Really check the original, but that's basically what happened. So sorry, twice. I'll make it once again. We're not gonna take it. I know we're not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it. And always when there's this part, you play this interlude, and otherwise you play the other one. Now we're going to the solo. I'm gonna play it for you. Let me put the backing track on somehow here. Once again. Something like this. Sorry guys, I just checked it out. So it's in E major pentatonics, that's here. Here, 12. Well, you don't need to know the pentatonics like this. So 9, what, 1, 9, 9, 11. Then 9. Something like that. It can be a little variated with he has a whammy bar, but that's the main melody. Just plays the melody again. It's a really simple melody, I must say. I'm not saying it's bad, it's just very simple. So 9, 9, 9, 11, 9, 11. 9, 11, 10, 9. Comes twice. The solo second time comes a second guitar. It puts in a harmonizer to make it with 2 voices. But that's basically how the whole thing is played. Yeah, guys, that was We're Not Gonna Take It by Twisted Sister. If you want to play the whole song, I just showed you the 3 parts. We have the first, the chorus, and the bridge, and the solo. We have 4 parts. And just check the original one, and just fit in where comes which part. I've tapped it out if you want. The tabs and the backing track, with the backing track here. mean, that is available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, if you like it. Being Dr. Pink, Dr. Pink is really happy. First time we ever played Twisted Sister. Then believe it or not, really first time. Well, I've been a Twisted Sister fan. That's why I have Dr. Pink, I must say. But I don't know why I never played a song that it's really simple to play among us. Yeah, and you guys, you can also play it, and it's cool, it's rocking, and it's a little bit rebellion, and it's probably cool in these days. So, as I said, you can download the tabs and the backing track in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy and join there, become a member of my, or part of my, or our guitar community. It's not my community, you are the community, not me. I'm just giving you some videos. You build the community. Yeah, write me a review on Google Maps if you want. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Telegram, and follow me on Google. That's about that. And me and Dr. Pink are signing off.